Did you know that in 2025, over $11 trillion is expected to flow through online transactions worldwide? Yet only a fraction of people will actually claim their share. Why? Because they don't know where to start. But here's the thing. You don't need experience, a degree, or even a big budget to make it happen. In fact, I'm about to show you how to go from $0 to $1,500 a day in just 1 month. Before we proceed, I want you to check out this video's description once. It has links to relevant videos posted by me that will enhance your financial knowledge. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so to make 2025 your breakthrough year. Let me ask you this. How would your life change if you could make $1,500 a day? That's $45,000 a month, more than most people make in a year. Imagine paying off debts, traveling the world, or building the life you've always dreamed of. But here's the catch. If you don't take action now, you risk being left behind in a world that's moving faster than ever. In this video, I'll break down a proven roadmap to achieve this in 2025. I'll share the strategies the top 1% are using to crush it online. But fair warning, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a system that requires focus and execution. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, stay tuned. Let's get real for a second. The internet is flooded with opportunities. But that's the problem. Too many options. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, social media influencing, freelancing, the list goes on. The e-commerce market continues to expand, with digital commerce accounting for the highest transactional value at $8.67 trillion. But that's not enough to convince me right now, because I'm not going to start a dropshipping store in 2025 just because the market's booming. Dropshipping is something financial gurus make you obsessed with. Why? Let's break it down for a minute. They convince you to start a dropshipping store, and they are, even today in 2025. Then they tell you methods to succeed in the e-commerce field. And to do that, they tell you to watch their videos. And you do, blindly. So basically, they get their YouTube income from your one view and you get a reality check. You waste months in trying to succeed. Dropshipping was the golden ticket in 2010. And here we are, in 2025. Trying to succeed in dropshipping in 2025 is like telling Mike Tyson that you'll knock him down in a minute. And by the way, here Mike Tyson means all those competitors who started a Shopify store in 2015 and are earning $10,000 per month today. Different people have different notions about a hustle's success. That's why most beginners feel paralyzed by information overload. Sound familiar? Second challenge, lack of guidance. You might watch 100 videos or read countless blogs, but none of them give you a step-by-step system, especially the get-rich-quick financial gurus on YouTube. They just hype up the dream without teaching you the how. And then there's the third problem, fear of failure. Most people never start because they're afraid of spending time and money. They think that spending time thinking about innovation that might just make them a millionaire someday is wasting time. So let me clear one thing. That sets the base of everything. Without spending time and money, you'll never get rich. You see those homeless men out there? Why do you think they're in that situation? The answer's crystal clear. They lack financial education. If I were to give a broke man an opportunity to invest in so as to become a millionaire one day, he can do two things. Either he can believe me and change his life forever, or he can be afraid to invest even the little money he has and be broke forever. It's true that a broke man would be afraid. I agree. But if I were to ask him if he would save that money for sending his kids to school one day, then in most of the cases the answer would be yes. They are unknown to the fact that school is the matrix. They think education can solve everything. To be brutally honest, education is not equal to intellect. Now that's a conversation for another day. But as for now, let's get back to where we were. Yes, we were at the two decisions the broke man can take. If you practically see this, he values broke teachers teaching about money to his children more than a rich man's financial advice that can change his life completely. Being broke for years and being afraid to spend money was natural and valid. Agreed. But I won't agree that it's valid to prioritize school's be broke advice over that of the rich. But here's the good news. Every single millionaire started as a beginner. The difference? They focused on one proven system and executed relentlessly. That's exactly what I'm going to help you do. Here's the plan. You're going to focus on digital services because that's where the demand is skyrocketing in 2025. Businesses are desperate for help with content creation, AI-driven automation, and community management. If you can solve their problems, they'll pay you handsomely. Step 1. Pick a high-demand niche. Let's break this down. A high-demand niche is where businesses or individuals have problems they are actively looking to solve. For example, small businesses in industries like fitness, beauty, and e-commerce are growing exponentially. What do they all have in common? They need help managing their online presence and scaling their brands. If you're able to master just one aspect of their needs, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Key insight. Go to websites like Google Trends, explore Fiverr's top-performing categories, or even search hashtags on Instagram to see what's trending. Use that data to narrow your focus on a niche that aligns with growing demand in 2025. Step 2. Learn a high-income skill for 2025. Let me emphasize something critical here. Your success depends on the value you bring to the market. If you want to earn $1,500 a day, you'll need to learn skills that businesses are willing to pay for. Forget outdated strategies like running Facebook ads or copywriting. Instead, focus on skills that are highly relevant in 2025, such as Number 1. AI-powered content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper are helping businesses generate blogs, product descriptions, and social media posts faster than ever. In fact, AI can even create faceless videos which you can make for creators starting with AI-powered YouTube automation. This is the new skyrocketing market in 2025. In most of my videos, I've talked about AI and how much it's projected to reach by 2030. That's approximately $1.8 trillion, by the way. Basically, what I mean is that AI is the golden ticket in 2025, not dropshipping. Learn to optimize these tools to provide tailored content services. Number 2, digital marketing. Digital marketing skills are crucial for businesses to effectively reach and engage with their target audiences online. And to be honest, brands can literally pay you hundreds of dollars for their business promo for a specific number of days. If you were to promote a business, for example, Company A, you would need to offer them plans. Plans are the best thing you can add to your services in order to get clients. I'll tell you why. This gives your clients choices, not an imposed price. That's marketing psychology. Note that. Now, let's take a case study. Adam, a $200 per month employee, gets a reality check that his job will never get him to where he wants to be. He comes up with an idea. SMMA. For those who don't know, SMMA stands for Social Media Marketing Agency. And for those who know, I'm sure you think SMMA is outdated. Let's be real. No, it's not. One thing I really hate about financial gurus is that they declare outdated shit valuable and valuable gold mines as outdated. But that's what I'm here to fix, to help you see through the matrix and actually break free. First things first, SMMA can never be replaced by AI. Why? The reason's super simple. No social media platform, such as Instagram, the one at the peak, will ever give AI the full access to it. Here's what it means. People think that in the coming years, AI will have the tools to promote business, brands, and much more to the targeted Instagram audience. Sure, there are AI tools that have similar tools to skyrocket your growth, but are they really effective? No. Self-grown brands, including small local businesses, are seen to overpower AI-powered social media promotions. But there's a twist. While AI won't replace marketing jobs, it's undeniable that it will reshape them significantly. Now, this would definitely play a positive role for AI users as well. But what if I told you that still you can overpower them by being the user and seller at the same time? Here's what it means. You can offer the marketing service to businesses, and once you get a client, you can use the AI tools to promote growth. You're basically selling the same thing that businesses can do themselves without paying you a higher price, but they don't know that. That's the advantage. If AI can replace your work, you can let it flow your way till you have a grip on it and use it to overpower itself. Let's consider an example. AI Tool X, which costs $50 per month, is capable of promoting your business throughout Instagram by directing your work to the targeted audience. Let's say Instagram did give AI the full authority to integrate within it and accomplish tasks like this one. What's your move? Well, it costs $50 per month, right? Introduce your service plans to businesses, with the starting plan worth $60 for a month's promotion. Even if the business owner has got a bigger move by knowing the price difference, he's definitely going to learn more about what you can do that AI can't. At this point in time, it's all about marketing psychology. Don't go on proving on and on about you being better. They need proof. One of the best ways to present proof is to generate it. For example, create an Instagram account, grow it to 100,000 followers in a few months, which is possible with consistency if you're thinking it isn't, and share them the page. They don't know it's yours, right? So that's proof, and it becomes more evident when you provide them with what the page was able to accomplish through your service, such as in sales, income, and so on. Numbers are everything here. You need to show numbers the AI can't. Now let's say you were successful in generating the proof. In this case, the business owner will not worry about the extra $10 and pay you for the month. You receive $60, use the AI Tool X, pay it $50 and get a profit of $10. Don't worry about little profit. Right now, you're building evidence, and this was exactly what you needed, a client. Ask the client for referrals and testimonials and you'll see your client base expand. You'll come through this again in step 5. After building a large agency, businesses will prefer you over AI, seeing the results. And at that time, business will be ready to pay hundreds of dollars rather than trying to save some by using AI. That's how you use AI to overpower itself. So Adam plays the game well without letting anyone know about his behind the scenes. He was finally able to earn $9,000 per month, which is $8,800 more than what his salary was. Number 3, video editing. And please don't think AI will replace video editing. It definitely will someday, but that's going to take long. Video editing is king in 2025. Ever watched Iman Gadzhi's YouTube videos? Just notice the editing. And even if I don't tell you to, you will on your own. Why? Because the editing will itself grab you till the end. There are AI video creators, but ever compared them to the high-quality editing accomplished by softwares like After Effects? Manual editing of After Effects crushes these AI tools in 2025 completely. And there are creators searching for editors who can solve the task. What do you do now? You build a client base following the same exact strategy as in SMMA. The only difference is that as long as there is no AI tool that can beat After Effects, you do the work manually. As a matter of fact, building a portfolio in this field is super simple. Just create a few sample videos with perfect editing and add them to your portfolio's Drive file. You don't have to reveal everything to your clients, and why would you? You can simply claim to have made the videos in your portfolio for other creators, and that would be enough. You'll learn something super shocking about building a portfolio in step 3. Spend 7 to 14 days diving deep into a skill. Don't overthink it. Start small. You don't have to be the best, just good enough to provide value. Tools like YouTube, Udemy, and Coursera offer all the resources you'll need to get started. Step 3. Build your portfolio for free. Yes, for free. Now here's where most people get stuck. They don't want to work for free, but think of it as an investment. Offer your services to 1 or 2 businesses at no cost to gain experience and testimonials. Use platforms like Instagram or Facebook groups to find small businesses looking for help. For example, you can help a local coffee shop improve their social media posts. You can create a logo or video ad for a fitness coach. And you can edit videos for YouTube channels and improve time to time. Eventually, you'll be one of the professional editors and will be expanding your client base. These small projects will allow you to showcase your skills, build confidence, and gather tangible results to attract paying clients. Step 4. Use outreach strategies to land clients. Now that you've built some credibility, it's time to find paying clients. The best part? You don't need to spend money on ads to do this. Here are 3 proven outreach methods. Method 1. Cold emails. Personalize your pitch. Research potential clients and address their specific needs. For example, if you're reaching out to a small clothing brand, say, "I noticed your website doesn't have a blog. Adding one could increase your organic traffic by 30%. I can help you set it up." Method 2. LinkedIn. Use LinkedIn to find decision makers in your niche. Send them a direct message offering value up front, like a free audit of their website or social media. Method 3. Instagram DMs. If your niche is visually driven, Instagram is a goldmine. Reach out to small brands with constructive feedback or ideas on how they can improve their online presence. Pro tip: set a goal to send 20 outreach messages per day. Even with a 10% response rate, that's 2 new client opportunities daily. Step 5. Leverage social proof to scale. Here's the thing. Once you land a client or 2, your results will speak for themselves. Ask satisfied clients for referrals and testimonials. These will make it easier to pitch new clients. One glowing testimonial can increase your conversion rate by up to 50%. Let's take a case study. You helped a local gym double their Instagram engagement in 30 days. That success story becomes your marketing tool. When pitching new clients, show them the before and after results to build trust instantly. Step 6. Automate and delegate. This is where you move from hustling to building a business. Once you're earning a steady income, outsource repetitive tasks. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are great for hiring freelancers to handle execution while you focus on scaling. Here's the math. If you charge a client $1,500 for social media management, you can outsource the work for $500 to a skilled freelancer. That leaves you with a $1,000 profit for managing the client relationship. Step 7. Scale through systems. Finally, build systems to scale your operations. Create templates for outreach emails, workflows for onboarding new clients, and a standard operating procedure, aka SOP, for every service you offer. This not only saves time, but also allows you to onboard more clients without being overwhelmed. Now, here's the game changer that separates the winners from the wannabes: automation and scaling. Once you've streamlined your processes and built a small team, you can start targeting bigger clients. Imagine landing a client willing to pay $5,000 a month. At that level, just 3 clients could replace a 9-to-5 job and give you complete financial freedom. Let's break it down with some quick math. If you land 5 clients at $1,500 each, that's $7,500 a month. Even if you outsource half the work, you're still taking home $5,000. And remember, this is just the beginning. With the right systems in place, there's no limit to how much you can scale. Let's recap. Step 1. Pick a high-demand niche. Step 2. Master a high-income skill. Step 3. Build your portfolio with testimonials. Step 4. Use personalized outreach to land clients. Step 5. Leverage automation to scale. Step 6. Create systems to grow exponentially. And finally, scale through systems. By following this roadmap, you can go from a complete beginner to making $1,500 a day in just 1 month. But here's the thing. The clock is ticking. Every day you wait is another missed opportunity to build the life you deserve. If you're serious about making 2025 your breakthrough year, don't stop here. Check out my playlist, 2025 Cheat Codes. Trust me, it's packed with actionable tips you can start using today. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Why? Because every video I drop is designed to help you achieve financial freedom faster. Don't wait. The sooner you start, the sooner you win.